Hello everybody, welcome to Buck Does It. Put a little video together of me changing the fuel line hoses. I took a glass filter off the back and I put some braided nylon, stainless steel braided nylon fuel hose on. Hope you enjoy. Alright, what I'm doing here today, I want to get rid of this glass fuel filter and that rubber hose, and replace it with that nylon stainless steel I got braided hose. I'm just gonna get the like 8 inches. 7 3/4. I'll go 8 inches, and then get rid of that. I might even change this breather hose here too. I know I'm going to take it off there, just get it out of the way. This is just a vent tube. I may change that too, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, got ourselves a chunk of hose. You know what the difference between a piece of hose and a chunk of hose is? A chunk of hose is bigger. Anyway, let's see if this is 1/4 inch. And it is. Cool. So we can slide that up onto there. This one. So I brought the 6mm along, the 6mm socket along just in case, because I got confused last time. I thought for sure all of these were 1/4 inch, but apparently not all are created equal. So I thought rather than screw around, I'm gonna just cut it. There's one down. 2 down. Yep, we got her. It's leaking fuel. Now it should come right out of here without splashing on the camera. What do you think? Let me get a rag. I just put the rag there to keep it from splashing, that's all. There's one, and there's the other. Oh, cool. Done. That's a done deal. Now, a little bit of Dub D40. Let's see how I did here. Whoa, ripping my 1/4 pound apart. See if we can get the gas to stop. Or I knock you over. It's being a little stubborn. I'm glad I went 8 inches instead of 7 3/4. Well, one good thing, that's a tight fit. That side went on nice. Okay, that's good. All right. Now we're cooking my fuel. Now I'm debating on whether to put put one on the other one or not. I think I might. Not. It's only a breather. And I'm not even using charcoal canister. All right. One down. Righty there. All right, so this one's done. Almost. Just gotta tighten this clamp. All right, that's in. I'll put this breather hose back on. Vent tube, I should say. There we go. Boom, baby. Hey, Bryce. Okay. Okay. I measured it already, cut it, and ready to go here. It's probably a little too long. I think we'll be okay though. What I do is I cut it with a die grinder because there's steel inside, and then use some a sanding wheel, clean all the edges up, and then I use a torch and just melt the nylon so it doesn't fray. So I also want to take the clamps off the old. These look like they're a little better shaped than the ones that are on there. Boy, that was easy for me to say. So anyway, we'll put that on the new hose. Hopefully I got it on the right way. You know, I heard a lot of horror stories about these glass filters. There's not a whole lot, blah 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 blah. Not a whole lot of dirt in there either, so we should be okay. As far as filtering, because I did put a bore scope down inside the gas tank before I put gas in it, and it was like all nice and clean in there. I was surprised, but that's okay. Oh, this one's beat. Look at that, the screw came right out, and it's stuck. Let's get this out of here. Yeah, there we go. I don't know how long this hose has been on here, but it's not on from factory. Okay, things are starting to happen now. Let's take the shortcut. I don't feel like doing no hose wrestling this morning. Okay. Why are you leaking so much? Like probably coming down from the carburetor, I guess, huh? Where's one? Alrighty then. Oh, tell me you're gonna keep going. better get it on there soon, right? Oh no, it stopped. Okay. All right. little bit of Dub D. Dub D. This time I'm going to squirt the hose too. That'll burn. You don't want to go to back first here. Let's get this off of here. Not off of there. Wow, I did it. I did it. Let's see if that makes a difference. And it does. Seems like it did anyway. All right. Cool beans, Joe. There's another one done. Now I got new fuel line all the way up to here. And I got it going to the carburetor. Well, the braided stuff anyway. I got one more piece to do, and that's at the fuel pump inlet. And that's probably going to be the hardest one. Because there's not really much room under there to deal with any issues. Okay, that one's done. Let's see. This one here. I think with this steel braided stuff, you got to watch, don't poke your fingers all the time. That's why I like to cut it before you get under here. Alrighty then. That's probably a good thing I did all that, because of I don't know how long that hose was on there. Plus, I don't like those glass filters. Do a little cleanup. Clean up in aisle 5. All right, that's that one. All right, last one's the hardest. Okay, cut goes the weasel. Let's see if we can do this left-handed. See if that does anything. There it is. Hey, we did it. Bottom side's done. Let's go up to the top side. Well, I wish I would have thought of this braided hose when I putting this stuff on way back then. But can't have it all, right? Okay, last bit. And I didn't get no WD. Dub D40. This one should slide on a little easier. It's rounded. Them other ones had a little edge on them. Let's put some Dub D on there, and then find my clamp. Here it is. I know that's it because it has black on it. When I was spray painting from the timing cover. Come on, baby, just slide right on there and work with me. It's going. Giving me a hard time now. There it is. Ramalama ding dong. Too far down. Let's go back up a little bit. Yeah, right about there. Right about there. Okay, this is the last piece of hose I wanted to change, and it's all the nylon steel braided. Okay, cool. All right, I'll put a link to the fuel line, the braided fuel line with the stainless steel in it, down in the description. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. Remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.